Anything changed?
That light, that red light that keeps popping on and off, it was off for like a good 30 seconds, but then it came right back up. So at this point, I'm gonna keep looking at it, obviously, but at this point, barring it, this I don't know if this sensor is starting to go faulty or what. But, I'm gonna check all of them just to be safe. So get 24 minutes there, 24 minutes. Yeah, it's proper. Fresh movement. Sure, in this case it's orange. And then Y, slide. This gas. It's fun. Okay. At first I see that it's a here. What happens is switch. Switch. You had somebody else look at this, right?
Huh?
Did you have somebody else look at this?
Look at the thing?
Mm-hmm.
No, not offhand. Another guy, he always come out and check it.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
And do you know, besides like him showing you, well, whatever he may have checked,
Yeah.
do you know if he did anything with like the wiring or stuff like that?
No, I think the original people were wired.
Okay. All right, thank you. Just want to make sure this one has to light up this, the other has to switch. Why is it shut down?
And the light like it's steady now.
That light shouldn't be on.
Huh?
The light shouldn't be on at all.
It shouldn't be on at all?
No, it should be this other one that's right over here.
Okay.
Another thing I noticed is that there's supposed to be a standing pilot here, and that's also not on. So,
Oh, the pilot is not on?
no, sir. Just tried to light it, and it's refusing to stay on.
Okay. It's automatic right there, right?
Mm-hmm. This can help light it, but if a part there doesn't want to stay lit, then there's potentially another issue. That's what I gotta make sure. Did this come on? It's a quarter. Those are 5/16. This thing will come off, right? staple it. That's interesting.
What happened? It slide out of place?
No, I moved it out of place. I'm just taking a look at it now. That guy that you said that usually comes to work on this, like your handyman or,
Yeah.
or whatever, how often does he come look at it?
It comes like every month or so. You know, so you don't need it till the winter. So,
Yeah, absolutely.
so in the you turn it off in the when it gets kind of hot. You know, last of April or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Cut it back on in September or something like that. Yeah. Huh? I'm downstairs here. I know.